Okay, so let's continue with that same diagram, but now we're going to find a few other things for it, including the length and midpoint surface area. So it says M is the midpoint of BC. So we can see M is pointed right here. So midpoint means we need to use our midpoint formula. So here is our two points there. So we have 4 plus 0 over 2 for our x. Our y is 4 plus 4 over 2. And our z is 0 plus 0 over 2. So our midpoint is going to be at 2, 4, 0. And there is our midpoint. So using what we did in our video, the 9A video, I should say. Okay, so then the next thing says find the exact length of MD. So this is important right here. Exact length means you cannot do three significant figures. You have to keep it in radical form. Okay, so M is we just found 240, and D we know is at 225, I believe. Yeah, 225. So those are the two lengths that we're going to use. So our distance of MD is going to be the square root of 2 minus 2 squared plus 4 minus 2 squared plus 0 minus 5 squared. And when we do that, we get 0 plus 4 plus 25. So that means MD exact would be 29 units. So M to D is 29 units, or square root of 29 units, sorry. So this is like on the outside of this pyramid, that edge of that triangle there, from there to there. That's what we just found, and it is the square root of 29. Okay, so then the next part says, hence find the surface area of the pyramid. So think about our pyramid. The surface area is all of the surfaces. So that means that we have the area of the square plus the area of those triangles that are formed on the sides. And we have four triangles, so there's really four of them. So really, this is our surface area formula. So if we go back up to the top, we know that this is a 4 by 4 square. So to find the area of the square, we know that this is just 4 times 4 plus, and then we have four of those triangles, and they're all the same size because the base is a square. So triangles, we know this part right here is 1/2 base times height. So what was helpful is we just found the height. This is the height of the triangle, and then this would be our base of 4. So our height is the square root of 29, and the base is 4. So I have 1/2 times 4 times the square root of 29. And then when I calculate that, I get 16 plus 8 square root of 29. That would be the exact answer because you can't go any further. If you take it further, because it doesn't tell us to do exact, I can go to 3 sig fig, and that ends up giving me 59.1 units squared. So that is your surface area of the pyramid that was given to us.